Yeah, put music. Music, music. Music, music. Yeah, put music. Yeah, I can't finish the story for now. Dirty, nyama nyama lifestyle where our people they live. I not just say it's normal. They are possessed. May God deliver them. God help them. You want hear the end, my lady? Oh yeah, now more play music first. How am I done with the ending? Let it be time. People they go work tomorrow. Me I know they go. So what they gist? Okay, I'm again. Good evening. Good evening, my lady. Okay, I'm again. Please, man, don't delete the first video. I need to watch it again. Okay, now. So, in with the man, where you go get now. It's every now day, any little quarrel. That one go want to the user pass. Till they say, hey, if not be me, who you be? You go there, you need to they respect me. If not be me, we no keke, we never come, we never no, we no. Meanwhile, all this whole time, she no feel born again. She said she get a aquamo. She said she still get womb. Nothing do in womb. In short, she dey go doctor control, doctor check up, doctor say nothing do am, but she no can fit get belle again. Whether na this man wey he can get so, he no get better sperm, he no know. You know, he said the thing, Monica. Now so you go wake and you go make wake. He say make I use and take do video. Make I tell me, my people not true. Make I tell me, say too much do. You go come make this thing. They very weak. And they don't they old. I can say, instead they get some men when no carry different woman. You get only a wife, but they still they do always. That one go fit still affect them. Now true say people will get experience do. I not say you do, but if you get experience or say na true, it they really make men weak. I bet me I want to. Because you need to maintain that thing. Me no weak. You see, I don't wish they do you weakness. Say na so quarrel that they quarrel. If they want sleep with each other, the thing you go get up. Because before as you get up, you have to go pump and inside. Say sometimes you go just make get away. And you know I'm moving no more. Oh, our people, some of our people they get story, and God will deliver them. That was her story. She said it. She released herself. And how you come there now? Ain't they fine? That's why they watch our video. In the learn with everything wey happen to now. Say before him go they say na wish. Na this. Na that. Say later him come no say no. Don't be wish. Him not playing life well. You know? He said then some kind of time we go this sad, then go this. When he comes to the watch a lot of video, he can see where a lot of they talk about one video. He said that video in share am for a war. Talk about what you do for small pikin, how it they affect you. Say they affect and well. Anytime when you remember how men for the whole everywhere they do he say he go just like my God. He say all those ones the reason why he not think about bringing pikin. Because he no want end up like his mama. Say mama they alive, he not die. Yet everybody they do. If he can still bring pikin, they do the way everybody do. You see, if he remember everybody, we don't touch. As they take grow, come for small pikin, nobody will never touch her. He say, anytime he meet, they talk about pikin, go say, I beg, oh, wama, we need pikin, mama. He say, now those things they do yet, we make her. He not too really like pikin. When he can't still the old, now he can say, if for good though, me I still get my own pikin. All this property now, who go come get her? You know? He said, but truth of the matter, that thing I worry. She said she get womb. Doctor say nothing happen to a womb. Now just because this man when he can't get, he know they do anything. That one he said that one not they do anything. That one he own opposite touch. She for man side, and that one just be only what they wow. You know, he said that one also na popular man before, but say yes. If I dey preaching, go dey listening, go say, oh, I wish why Monica not senior me now. Say I wish I senior her now. I for don't they talk like this. Why she go still they grow, they console that she will feel hear all the advice. He go tell them. Go say, but see, I don't already use my life finish before I come the year about now. I wish I still this small. Una talk for help me. Because now una talk make me not come kill myself now. So anytime when something just did go say kill. He said, but since when you come here shine your shine. He say no. I said not die. If you die, it go vex me. Not die. You must live your life. Let it pass, don't pass. Come close to God. all this confession, all this whole thing wey dey your life, God will take am away. Say you know the two remember again. You don't forget how you take use the life. Say this abroad. I really dey pity our women. So now it make me believe that confession wey dey that first video where I do just now. If you go listen, where they confess for Ijore video, some people come they say maybe na set on. No, I wish this woman he play am for live video. This type of story, is it not pathetic? It's pathetic. The one wey dey pathetic pass. Now that one where mama no fit know say everybody they do it pikin. You see, this woman don't grow reach 50 something year. That thing still the warrior. That thing I make the woman fail for bringing children to this world because she don't want to be like her mother. So she don't want to bring a baby that will not be like her, where everybody will be everybody will abuse that child. So she was a kind of, for that side, if you check her, she do well. She just know say I don't want to be like my mama. Then I'll come bring baby, we go come be like me. Everybody go they do, and I like be that. And she say no, you know. Later, when she say she don't miss well, then she come they say, I wish she know. She for still born one. You know this now. I wish she still get one at all. Where she they call. It go still good. If now that one come they say, Mama responsible, Mama this, he go still no. He say nah, nothing at all. When he hear do something back home, message. Oh, say he cry. He cry. Because he know how it feel woefully. He say really, if all those things we do for everywhere, we invest everywhere. If na abroad he do and put. Today now, she not born, but she for be big woman where everybody they worship. You see, he go ass home. He can go stay ass for 6 years long. He can they manage the property, do something back on when he do. He say, but at a time, if he cough, go make go. He say, go cough. He go remain small, make chest cough, come out. As he chop me this rich. Nah, he say now when he come and bring no reach 3 months for inside that as he chop and reach, everything come finish. He say now since then he know say now this abroad now he go for him. Even if now one room they stay for abroad, he better pass he upstairs where he be one. He say he be don't die. He go cough so tey, he go from share, come dey crawl for ground. He no go fit breathe again. He go dey look for who the one call come. Come say na die. He say if I don't die, if na die he ask for Nigeria, he still sit down. That cough for don't, if I don't bring the throat come out. He no know what he bring. He know the smoke. Okay, he dey drink. He know the smoke. He no know what he bring cough. Come, he go cough, blood, he blood, he You go check up. They go give medicine. You know the feeling. He say Nigeria, he not come the laugh. He know they watch film where they make person laugh. He said na Nigeria in the Monica, I for no feel they watch you. Because if I they watch you now, I go they laugh. My body go dey sweet me, my life go dey better. But if na Nigeria, I for no feel watch you because I know they feel laugh. If I want laugh, he said na hospital, she go see herself. If she want laugh, he said the laugh no go finish. You see, do something back on. Not be everybody you go favor. Think well, especially you we don't already the sick. Think well, because at the end of the day, if you go there, you quit die. As you don't do for them now, start to they do for you, especially you with the sick. You we don't already they take tablet for diabetes. You we don't already they take eye tablet. You we don't already they take all bone joints. You we don't already they get 2 more where they keep for you. You we don't already remove one breast because of cancer. You we don't already remove one ear because of what they inside. You we don't already get a putu head because of the sickness. You we nyash don't already they pain. You we different things don't they body. Go. Go sit down. Ordinary cough, then be killer. Ordinary cough, cough for abroad. Wait, be say the day, some the day go still get boo. They know they die. Even with the day, the day body when not they take too much treatment again. I get one the day for my working place. He get if he dey cough. He never die. And they know they treat him again. They just they give him light medicine because his body no really take him again. So that they give him light syrup where they drink put. But they who why we set it telephone come down, don't finish, you know go know. Until when something go be like say hair enter your throat again, then go still start. If you even they say, oh sorry, no, leave her. Go do and go balance her. Go Africa, go cough like that. Go. You were don't ready they sick. You they use all your sickness body. Still they manage to do something there. Where it be say, you no go fit stay there. Why this manage? Quick, where you take the do now? Why you no go feel suffer, use and do better insurance, better thing for year. Now where you go, instead of make you die without your sickness for 60 years. Maybe if God say you go pass like that, you go come pass like that. Eh? Oh. No. Diabetes patients now. Small pikin will be diabetes. 28 years old woman diabetes. 35 years old woman diabetes. If they do something back on. He say he go there when he dey 50 years. When your diabetes go don't already detolerate. You know they take sickness again. You know they take medicine again. But we both just they control for you. Now that time you can't go Africa where be say Africa no get medicine for diabetes. If you get diabetes, it go shop you so until you die. For Africa. The moment they tell you have diabetes in Africa, oh. Now it be oh. You might anyway. Except say now abroad that they bring you come they take treatment. Otherwise, no matter how you go perish, no matter what. If he's supposed to die for 2 years, you can't go die for 10 years. He must still die. He no go feel rich how God say may be rich. You dey abroad. You where don't get problem. Aye. I be no know say I dey keep person. When I go dey chop you for now, chop you. No say some people will get this eye we make doing this one go open. You just say na wish collector. Now eye problem get eye problem go chop you. The eye go come small go inside. One day go come kill them. You will get am now for abroad or you bought the treatment for you. But the small money where you they make you they go put them there. Say if you old you will die. You will go there. Those when not still they sick. Are they win where okay oh January. When already come in we better make booby I will do something back when not come in. When already diagnosed, when not take a tablet or anything. When only BP. A BP when my on my satirical finish or I yo. when they do something back, you want to go after 20 years. When you don't know how your BP you want to become. Eh? Hey, God. Mona sit there, oh. Those where they are alive because of God. Those where they are alive because of Europe. They do something back or because we both they give them better medicine. Oh yeah, now go. No, yeah, they ordinary cut of finger go kill you for Africa. Go see how people, mama. People when don't get paper to take breed their mama come abroad. Go see how they die. 54 years man, 45 years time, 50 years too, 52 years me. Oh, come here, me ya. Afa. Eh? Eh? In 10 years, you still did there. They tell yourself, say, you go. I know some more not go. This one where I still they talk, so I just still they encourage and advise those where they sick. May you think you where don't ready they sick. Where they still they talk about you say leave people, some people have it naturally. I know. I'm not saying it's something that give it to them, but that's what I'm saying now. Those that have it naturally, Oyibo is helping them to control it that they don't have nothing. Go Africa, you go know. Now you go know say BP na sickness. For it be like a BP control a BP. Go Africa, then you go BP they put people for coma. BP they kill them for UBTH. Go. Maybe say you'll get BP for year. You'll get up. You'll go walk. You'll come back. You'll born one pikin. You'll do normal. You'll do this. Get BP for Africa. May you say if you don't get BP before you start to the born. If you born 3 pikin, now God now go help you the day where you go born that the 3rd one. If you feel born 1, born 2, they will advise you to stop. Say, madam, don't go the 3rd one, the 3rd one, because if you go, consequence. People when not still get BP at all, go born, they'll come get BP. Ama will not get car high, ne? You come born, now there you go, your enemy go follow. Go Africa. One of the those where they sick now, they thought, oh, I don't still thought, oh, now when they sick, Mona do. You see those where they don't already diagnose, those where don't they take tablet. Think well, my sister. You hear? Think well. You where don't they take tablet for different things. You where they don't cut in one breast. You know, say na risk. Waiting don't ever make cancer come body, they remove and they cut them. You know, so after years again, go come back. May God not let them come back for now in Jesus' name. You where they don't already remove the breast, you where they don't already wallow cancer come out from one part of your body. You still they do Oyibo while you want to go do something back on. Where you know say concern that your body can be now God now you go come dey pray to. Then go still change am for your mom. No be them. Ordinary cough. Then be one kill her. Ebo. Okay? Oh, now be careful. Everybody not be the same. You will get your body. You know what you will do. If you see having no gear, those who know they see where everything good for, they prepare your life. Oh, you know if you do. Now you know inside your body how it be. Take care of yourself. Yeah. Take care of yourself. But now truth. But now the truth you dey talk. My sister, how is Ejinyaya? Where's Ejinyaya? Where's Ejinyaya? Because I know say one person where they hear don't hear a message and they don't take her. reason your health. Check your medical reports before you choose where you go to stay. Everybody go die, of course. But nobody want die young. Everybody be want see enjoy wetin you don suffer put, see your children. Don't use yourself to fear last for anything. Okay, more come play our music. That was the story of that lady. I did something back home, and now I lost my father. I don't even know if I should ask for my things. I am scared, so I am letting go of everything. Is that not wasted effort? At least, my lady, let's say your own is not wasted effort. You know why? Ask me why. Let's say it's not wasted effort. Ask me why. At the end of the day, everybody is going to let everything go. So if now you dey fair let your own go, now not let them pay you. Whenever we carry they go, we carry they. At the end of the day, everybody is going to let it go. You understand? Don't worry. Just that some people will go start early, some people will go start late. Go happen late, while some go start early. My lady, why? Is because not be there your papa be there before he can't die. If for good may you there abroad your papa dey tenant, e no good. Except say maybe you too doing. You understand? That's why they always advise not too doing. Do small thing for your papa, your mama made a mistake. You understand? Then you repair your life for here. Good. Repair your life, because abroad not be South Africa, this abroad where we dey, this good one, they not be Malaysia, they not be which other country, they not be Libya, Not be all those ones where they say can't go back home, No. Abroad don't fair do can't go back home. Pass. They don't do that again. See how natural beauty you are with her. Thank you. Have you. Thank you, Jari. A lady. So it wasn't a wasted effort. You did it for your father, and now he's gone. You say you are afraid to ask for it. No, don't be afraid. Who is now staying there? Your senior brother. You have to ask for your document, but don't sell it on top of them. Shao, don't do that. You understand? Don't sell it on top of them. Just leave it for the one that needs it. Except if you see that nobody needs it again, then you can do whatever you want to do with it. You can ask them for document, why not? But don't sell it on top of them. Those who need it, let them enjoy it. Understand? Yeah, right. Thank you. Yeah. Don't feel it's a wasted effort. No. You did for your father. Assuming your father died for tenant, if we need him now, she go let you post her for Facebook. You understand? But now, you feel post her if you want post her. You are saying it now. If not tenant, for die just now. So you try. You did well. Yeah, you did well. Yeah, your brother is there, okay. But you can ask for your document. Don't say you are afraid, no. Let them know now where papa don't die. When I bring my document, me I hold on. Because I don't need story that touch. They will give to you, but you don't threaten them. I go sell them. I'll sell them. No, not sell them. No sell and leave am. Let them enjoy am. You understand? Except when they don't really need them again. You understand? If they get time, they don't go need them again. Nobody need them. Everybody will leave them for you. You know what I mean? Then you can sell if you want to sell. If you want to leave it, leave it. But as far as there is still family member that need it, leave it for them. You don't go so many you don't rich, you don't go so many you don't poor. Make you poor. But not they cut your hair again. You are okay with me. I don't cut my hair again. The hair still they come now like say he need business. You will see just now. If I not cut and leave am, e go start to dey break. That's why I no want. I go dey break like mush for waiting. Like say the sinner come give me. But now you just dey do like say, oh sister, everything just dey black, you just dey cook big. That's why I never cut and just leave am. But by the time you go talk say you do pass itself, wake up with the money here they remove. Alele now I will take send am back to the I get it come up from my head. But you just dey come now like rubber, you just dey do like rubber, the kino. You see just now, go start to dey break by itself. Nobody reach there. Penny I not put nothing. Go start to dey break. So now that it's doing good, let me leave it first. Let's see if anything good can come out. Well done. Lala, where are you? That is how my hair be. Oh, go grow. Go start to the fuck up like that. Nobody will say again. So spend you no put cream. You don't see how dot will go wake up, no put cream for you. The person they cream now so far. I don't trust anybody there abroad when they put cream. In short, everybody they get one table where they full of different type of hair cream. Yet, you know the year. They say buy vitamin. Okay, maybe not the vitamin. This juice plus vitamin where one lady bring come for me. Maybe now they bring my hair console because say they make everything they grow. I really do talk about the vitamin tomorrow now castle. So they make everything they grow and it go even make you get belly. I say really. It say yes. People will no fit get belly. Say some not be saying na spiritual problem, whatever. Now just their immune not build enough, and this castle they build so many things. Who knows? Maybe now this castle really they build my hair so. Because normal for Africa, and so my hair they grow. They grow like rubber. And so my hair be as it just they grow so say. If you touch it, be like rubber. You know? You know they make but before you go they grow I say, kids, we now they me. So I said the castle, if they make person get belly, if they clear pimples, if they clear skin, if they make man cassava strong and active and last longer, improve in action. I say, Oga, please, where can you get the castle? I will send you a contact. I will put a contact there tomorrow. You try it. It's not even expensive, but I think it's really working. I think so. See if you drink if you take the tablet, the castle for some time, you dey drink, your husband dey drink, and they sleep together. He said before you know, many testimony the way people wey never fit born for a very long time, they can't carry belle because of this castle. You understand? Which castle be that? The one castle, they do one cup. Oh, that is true, right? You know the thing. You know, say they increase. Maybe I ain't really change my hair. I no even drink am yesterday. I forget. I can't drink am now. Now where I don't dey notice say really they work. I wish I want get belle now. I'll try am for now. I'll try and go abroad. No, I know they are working one. Who else get that law for a book? They say some married women don't get that law. How many married women do we have in the house here? They say not all married women have the law of say if I get belle, I must born her. Oh, I need it for my little sister. Okay. Mama, yeah, this. Okay. You understand? How many married women dey here wey don't tell themselves say even if you use mistake get belle, you go born her. You know do abortion. We plenty. Me na one. We plenty, me I for no, because somebody say we will talk like that, we be old cargo. Say no married woman of this 20th century. They plan like that. If you mistakenly get belle, get rid of it. I say, really? Me, I cannot get rid of my own. If I mistakenly get it, I will give birth to it. I don't even think about it. Abio, me, I have the law with plenty. With plenty will be Okago. They say na Okago law. Say na our mother of those days. Now in the talk say, as married woman, you must born every pikin where you pregnant. They say 2019 women, 20th century women say they know they born every pikin where enter their belle. Me, I like my mama. Nah, my master me want stay with. If I get belle as a married woman, I will burn it. I will not abort it. God forbid. God forbid. Hey, I say abortion like wasted human being. You just waste. You just be like say you kill your own pikin. You waste a child. You carry him and just cut your pikin throat. God forbid. Again, na lie. You say na blood. That one not be pikin. I create na pikin. Say na blood. Not be pikin. Na blood. No. You understand? Who is putting very by here? Are you the person that sent me the castle? Let me see the name. Peggy Ebodage. Peggy Ebodage. Are you the person that sent me the castle? Mama, what if your baby never grow? Okay, if my baby never grow, I ever better you say Natiri baby me, let me take Coco my children. Two go de boogie, one go stand for boogie. They grow like that. I no born all. Not be me be this. He kill me. I die. If he like, he never grow. Now the same time you take the bond them. I get one girlfriend. Peggy, no be you send am to me, and you say me they come follow you back. How way? Person wey send me something free of charge. You say me they come follow you back. Area yadwekia. Lao, I bet no put that money. I follow Peggy by. La Peggy, you know, you know they work. I not being a test. Now the one where I test now they talk. Jesus, you are not ambassador. If you are ambassador, you will know the right people to meet. What are you saying? You are ambassador of what? Ambassador of your castle, is it the one I talk about? Did I mention your kind of castle? No way. Ambassador that don't know the right people to contact. That one ambassador. I beg you. Me, I have the law, okay. The one I know is if you are not married, when you are married, you have to born your pikin. Abi? You understand? So you go born your pikin, Okay, you say if your pikin never grow, it no matter. I get girlfriend, In short, I can't even like her. When I see her this day, I say, oh, this thing too nice, oh. She born 2 children for 1 year. 2 children for the same year. I'm telling you guys, 2018, she get 2 children and 2 girls. If you see them, hardly before you know, they are not twins. If you see them, because you know, say if you quit born follow pikin, the one where you last born and they grow past the one where you fair born. If you see 2 of them, you will say they be twins. If it's sweet, 2 of them, they boogie, they dress them the same way. I bet it's not an excuse to say my pikin still dey small for her. That's why it's not an excuse. If you really know for sure, say you know one born follow pikin like that, as you just born finish, so the following week now that they lock her. The following week they go say come back, they will lock it for you. You cannot open yourself down and tell yourself, I don't want baby. It's not the possible. You don't see where married woman, they carry a thing, they run for your husband. We still talk about rubber. But the truth of the matter is, our black men don't like rubber. So don't dare yourself. If you really know, I don't want born join my small pikin, my sister go lock her more. Boy. Abroad that we in Africa where a mommy go here with family planning abroad. So if you not do family planning for abroad, any pikin wey enter your this thing, born. If you know one boy, if you go do abortion, but you are a murderer. Okay? You are a mother. As a married woman, if you are a single mother, you can do whatever you like. Only a freedom one, a single mother. Single mother, the boss lady of the sex. Now that they rule the anything way they like, they do. I mean, on Alaska, check up. And that one, they still take better passes. If you go through amniocentesis test and something is wrong, why not? Why asking because my baby is just 6 months. You know, you're the one with me talk just now. I say one of my friends born 2 children the same year. Me, I born 2 children within a year and 5 months. I have 2 children. Another of my friend born 2 children between a year and 3 months. Your own don't even pass safe. Your own, if you come born, even a year and how many months? 6 months up, you can master na bielele. If you no reach, if you na plan away, you no reach. If you na no constant plan away, you no lock her. He reach to born follow. People dey 3 months, they don't get belle. Their baby dey 3 months, they don't get belle. Some people, their baby dey 5 months, they don't get belle. Somebody, if pikin never reach 1 month, he don't get belle. That's why he born for 2. That's why that one where one time when we constantly dey talk about when you newly born, how many months, how many weeks you need to start sleeping with your husband. Women can lie for that thing. If you ask women, as we all dey talk, so they say, me, I started sleeping with my husband after childbirth 9 months. My own na just 1 year, it complete. Some they say 6 months. Some they say 3 months. Avoge. Ave no jima vegbe. I wish the first one will not do, not get belle inside. On moment say 1 month, waune. Get to wamana bien na gimi ekwe. 1 year, 3 months. I pray. They're not the rich. But the side effect of IUD no be here. I have my 3rd child when our brother was 1 year and 3 months. Oh, yo, it big. I say people children know they reach 3 months. Sometimes they get belly. Person wey born 2 pikin for 1 year. Mini calculator now. The first one reach 4 months before he get belly. Mona calculator if a woman born January and born November. She born January 2018. She born November 2018. Calculator. Calculator. Eh? You no rich. Now so, my lady, you dey laugh. Now so they be now. But as a single mother, having plenty 4 children, 4 father is no. So it is also not good. Single mother with plenty children should also close it. Yeah. Single mother with plenty children. Single mother without husband. And different men they pregnate you. You know nice. But you know, say because they talk that one, just they say, Monica, they go. You don't know what they cost. That's why I don't want to talk to them. Oh, a boss lady, he said it. This evening, we not comfort. You know, the sometimes I take tablet before I go talk so can't so that if una they come me, not go they enter. I don't want us to go mother. This thing here, you not there. Oh, I no make no more say na oh. You don't know what it costs me. Oh, don't know what it costs you. Oh, 4 children, 4 father. I don't want to know what it costs. Though, thank you. So far, better. So, and today I don't take paracetamol. I don't want anybody count me. Now married women, oh, that be today. Married woman, when no one born, when no one quit born, follow pikin, go lock her. Married man, you no want make your wife quit born. My brother, go lock. Now you go take your wife, go there, go lock her. Discipline. You no fit tell your wife say, I know they use rubber, but you go say, take care of yourself. What are you saying? One man they ask you, are you a baby? Are you are you a baby? No ke wana nyewe umana if you get 3 months in your where no ke where you too are you a baby? Maybe ashamed of yourself. They still tell una say please try and stay for just 3 more. Oh, wait, at the end of the day, you they contact the woman, as a big rich, so no fit take care of yourself. You call Baba. Baba will be the head of the house. Head of the house that cannot control himself for 3 months. What kind of head of house is that one? That is the head of house. Head of house, we're supposed to reach Uvio. When Uvio go say, Jameme, oh, wow, 3 months, azingbe. Whoever, where you Uvio, boom, where Uvio, you big enough, take care of yourself. Baba, you call. You not big enough to take care of yourself. When the thing won't come, you pull for hand, you go see, we go ask you. We go ask you. The thing won't come, you want make sure say you enjoy the enjoyment. After you enjoy the enjoyment finish, you want me another person come carry a dick for waiting. You still fear. Uma enjoy say. You must throw away the water. If you don't throw away the water inside, you throw away for your hand. That they forbid. Ordinary 3 months. The head of the house cannot control itself. It scatter everywhere because of 3 months. Ordinary 3 months. No be say they just lock am with needle, make you no just reach there at all. They say you can reach there, go there with rubber. You say lie. Wear a coat, you say lie. Come out the head, you say lie. Pour water for outside, you say lie. The thing where dey your mind, you don't do one. Nah. You dey come cry. Daddy, you cannot eat your cake and have it. Daddy, the moment when you know that it's not safe and you pour inside, Daddy will wait for the repercussion. There is nothing like as you big risk, so no fit take care of yourself. Daddy, nothing like that. Oh, if Daddy cannot, as Daddy big rich, Daddy cannot hold himself. Make sure that there is no scandal in our marriage. Daddy, take your time. Oh. Me and you big pass. Me and you big pass. If you not put water, baby no go like come. You put water finish, they come to say, I told you that I don't need any. Why you no hold your water? Some more water or see emere. Some more water or see emere. E some more water ni na nata we baba mwe rubber bag. Uwa wa o soto wawa. Soto wawa neni ya. Agbata to we yule. Agbata to we yule. I beg, married me. If you really know, say, I cannot take my wife being pregnant when we see her baby. No, I don't like that nonsense. Please, Daddy, don't tell wife, only take care of yourself. No, Daddy, help mommy to take care of herself. Because Daddy, you too, you are human being. No be only you want go enjoy yourself, stretch your body, can't leave repercussion for another person. Daddy, when the repercussion come, Daddy, let's share it. You understand? Otherwise, share it before repercussion go come. You understand? If you do, you fear. Both of us fear. We enjoy. When water won't come, pour outside. Throw away outside. The fear where you fear, you do. You must know always fear and get the water. Throw away the water. Let this case. Therefore, not they judge your matter now for social media. Now you they cry. They judge my matter on social. The time when you they throw away water inside, you no remember so us here. Throw away water inside the nanny and repercussion doctor. You carry your leg, you run. You say me they don't still talking. They go talk about you so te picking where they never born. We go use you to me parable. Say there once upon a time there was one man who refused to use rubber. He continued to say, I cannot use rubber. I cannot throw my water. I must get my water inside. By the time you get the water inside and baby begin to germinate, Daddy said, Mommy, you as big as you are. Daddy and Mommy, who is bigger? Daddy and Mommy, who is bigger? Who is supposed to use the bigger head? Is Daddy. Daddy will not use bigger head because the thing don't stand. At the end of the day, you want to give Mommy the fault. You cannot. You will become a national discussion. So, husband and wife out there, please avoid national discussion. Avoid seeing a discussion. Avoid using you as a scapegoat to other couples by wearing rubber when it is not safe. When mommy say it is not safe, Daddy wear rubber. 3 months rubber. A talona ege aronia. Daddy learn how to use rubber. Because all this a talon, no good day. My lady is already asking now. I have 6 months baby. I don't want to have another baby. And Daddy is there. Now Daddy is saying, ask Monica. Daddy, you already know that you don't want 6 months baby. Oh. Daddy, wear rubber or go and lock it. It's small rope they use in locking it. The rope is very small. Go and lock it. Take mommy there. They will bring the rope out and they will use that small rope to tie it for mommy. Then Daddy, you can start dancing jangolova inside. Nobody will ask you. Nobody will bring your case to social media. When you fuck up, your case will be on social media because we have to learn. Oh. We have to learn. That one on Shabonka. That one, we must learn. Anybody wait for, we learn. Otherwise, we go dey fall dey go. You see that first story where that woman say, I wish na this social media time she no go finish her life the way she finish her. That is why. That is why we continue to use other people matter to continue to give advice. Now that the way the year pass mess. I tell you, when daddy don't fear pun and don't throw away water inside, repercussion don't call daddy they run they go. What kind of daddy be that one? Cannot even stay for small baby. This is abroad though. Not be saying you want now you even want buy baby thing. Now you even want buy baby food 100%. Government they support. Not be saying now you want pay school fees. Gene. You don't know how they buy school fees, how much it be, you don't know. You see they run, they go. Now why I don't baby? I wanted baby. They still they see unwanted baby. Most of people baby are all unwanted. That who they tell say they want born you before they born you. Who? Tell me. Before your mama born you, who you take permission for? You with the born unwanted, you go come they say you don't want another unwanted. Like say not be unwanted, now plenty pass for this world. How many they plan? How many they plan? Almost everybody now unwanted. You can't say make we know better. Now only you want they plan your own. They tell you say many couple. Sometimes you'll get 4 children, now only one you plan, the rest just come. You not go even appreciate they come. Some people that they write invitation, take all the children, they know they still come. Some people don't drink shit water. Make the pikin take on, you know they come. Not to talk or say you plan one, you come. The rest come, they rush come. You go happy. Say, I want to plan my children. They plan you. Ask your mama. Say, Mama, the time where you want born me, did you plan me? Majority of us we are not plan. We just see say man, I like this woman, we rush go there. You understand? That the you too, you were not plan. You are unwanted pregnancy, but your mommy accepted you and carry you, and your daddy accepted you. That's how you should accept your own unwanted baby. Unplanned baby, because most of every baby is unplanned. When mommy and daddy wanted to jogolo, now one picking fall for his side, they not really come out today. So what do you want mommy to do now when the thing cannot come out? Oh, kids where they plan, no they come. Wanted daddy having unwanted baby. Unwanted daddy. No, unwanted daddy was rejecting unwanted baby. Can you imagine? Oh, yeah, figure me where I get no case when that's why they be. People we don't get their own, they know they remember say their own start. Daddy where they not plan, say I no go carry picking where they not plan. They plan you. Who plan you? Come tell me. Your mama plan you. They not plan though. Many senior pikin, they not plan them. Many senior pikin, they not plan them. 75% of senior pikin, they not plan them. It don't come. How you want to do? Go stay. Many times, selves. The second children, they know they plan them. The moment you see say brother don't come, they don't come. Third pikin, you know they plan am o. That third pikin said na funny part those one it all say na they be. Many times they go here with the mother now with the mommy we go they say wow o me fa na wa gwale even you no clear ya. I know one third pikin, that's why they now the tafia pass first and second. My video is about to finish. Because third pikin they hear you the mama now they talk say I know one now that time go come. He go come, he go suffer like that. You not go even know, safe. Third pikin. Nobody call them when they come. But be happy that they came. Because later you will enjoy them. Be happy, oh. Be happy they came.